IKEA. Without much fanfare, IKEA and Sonos have released a second-generation version of their Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. First spotted by Dutch publication Tweakers, via The Verge, the new model features a faster processor, more memory and draws less power when it's on standby. It also comes with a longer power cable. However, looking at the new model next to its first-generation counterpart, the most visible change is an updated button layout that sees the volume controls next to one another instead of being separated by the play, pause button as was previously the case. Sonos updates its speakers in this way from time to time to make them more future-proof. In 2019, for instance, it refreshed the Sonos One to add Bluetooth LE, a newer processor and more memory. More recently, it tweaked the Sonos One SL to add a more efficient wireless radio. If you live in the Netherlands, you can pick up the second-generation Symfonisk bookshelf for €99. We've reached out to IKEA to find out when the retailer plans to release the speaker in the US. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.